In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete Slack direct messages. Now, before we jump in, it's important to understand a key limitation in Slack. There isn't a true bulk delete button for direct messages, especially in the desktop or web app. What you can do, however, is manually delete your own messages one by one in a quick and efficient way. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and share a few tips to make the process smoother. First, open Slack and navigate to the direct message conversation you want to clean up. This could be a one-on-one chat with a colleague or a small group DM. Keep in mind that you can only delete messages that you yourself have sent. Messages from other people in the conversation can't be removed by you. They would need to delete their own messages if necessary, depending on your workspace permissions. Once you're in the conversation, hover your mouse over one of your messages. As you move your cursor over it, you'll see a small toolbar appear next to the message. Look for the icon with 3 vertical dots, often labeled as More Actions. Click on that. When you click the 3 dots, a menu will pop up with several options related to that message, such as editing, pinning, or adding a reaction. From this list, choose the option to delete the message. Slack will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it, since this action is permanent. Go ahead and confirm. You'll notice that the message disappears from the conversation for everyone who can see that DM. There's no undo, so make sure you're certain before confirming the deletion. To bulk delete in this context, you'll repeat the same process for each message you want to remove. Hover over the message, click the 3 dots, choose Delete, and confirm. It can be a bit time-consuming if you have a long history of messages, so it might help to focus on specific time periods or types of messages, like old files, links, or sensitive information you no longer want in the chat. A couple of final tips. Check your workspace's message retention and deletion policies, because some organizations limit how far back you can delete or whether certain content must be retained. And if you're trying to clear things out for privacy or decluttering, consider archiving channels or starting fresh conversations going forward. That's how you manually delete your direct messages in Slack and effectively bulk clean your chats by working through them message by message.